Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soft oatmeal cookies. Achieving that perfect soft and chewy texture starts with a few key steps. We will focus on using the right ingredients and employing specific techniques to ensure your cookies are never dry or crumbly. By following these simple instructions, you will consistently bake delicious, melt-in-your-mouth oatmeal cookies every time. Let's get started on creating your new favorite treat. First, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 1 1/2 cups of packed brown sugar until light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon each of cinnamon and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet, mixing just until combined. Finally, fold in 3 cups of old-fashioned oats. Now let's talk about baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden but the centers still look slightly soft. This slight underbaking is crucial for maintaining chewiness. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. To keep your oatmeal cookies incredibly soft, proper storage is key. Store them in an airtight container, and for an extra boost of moisture, add a slice of plain bread. The cookies will absorb moisture from the bread, staying soft for days. Remember, slightly underbaking is your secret weapon for chewiness. Also, always opt for old-fashioned rolled oats over instant for the best texture. Enjoy your perfectly soft and delicious homemade oatmeal cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.